I've got to be the most unluckiest fucking trader of all time, bro. Dude, I'm actually done, bro. 5 trade losing streak. Are you fucking serious, bro? This is the worst trading losing streak I've had since like, oh, my first year, bro. Like, what the fuck is this shit, bro? Oh my gosh, I don't fucking understand, bro. Fuck this shit. This shit actually got me mad looking at this, bro. I'm gonna make this recap very, 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 very quick. All right, so boom. Let's get down to the 4-hour. All right, very obvious. 4-hour here. We're respecting this 4-hour. We also tapped into this 4-hour. We have all-time highs. We have London highs. So that's the 4-hour. We hit the hourly as well, and this 15-minute right there, and we swept this low. So great news, as well as delivering from this rejection out of this daily per value gap from yesterday. So very obvious bullish bias here. We go here to ES. Really no 4-hour here. We have an outside 4-hour a little bit more down in discount. I don't think we have anything on the hourly. We actually inverse this hourly, but I mean, I'm still leaning bullish. There's really nothing here telling me that we're gonna be bearish. ES has relatively equal highs at all-time highs. Overall, just really nice reaction here. We have an SMT. Actually, we don't have an SMT. Oops. Yeah, really no SMT, so I could see that being an issue. I'm starting to see a little bit more of the flaws in this trade. The first trade, I can definitely see why that loss, okay? Excuse me. Honestly, just we had a rejection here. Close to the upside, developed a 15-minute. This was my condition. I was looking to see this get hit out market open. If we get longs, perfect, we get longs. If we inverse it, we'll wait to get longs. But really, I don't see any scenario where I'd be short. No. So, here's the 5-minute. Let me show that off real quick. There's that 5-minute. So I was really looking for something just like boom, boom to the upside, and yeah. So, the trade I took, right? Boom, we dump. Now, this was actually 30-second play, so we swap liquidity right there. We have this 15-minute wick, hit LT of that wick, and one thing I failed to realize was ES failed to take this low out. Me seeing this, I should have not taken this trade and 100% stayed out, which is why I don't think this is a good trade. I mean, it's A+. I like this because, I mean, it could definitely work. My nose is so stuffy. Yeah, we inverse this 30-second, form this order block. This looked pretty decent, pretty nice. Let me look at that 15-second, see what we have there. Yeah, we even inverse this 15-second, respect to this 15-second. I mean, we had a 1-minute up here to go break even. I was looking to go break even mad early because I was expecting a nice flush through here. I wanted to see this be a Judas swing. So, is it a bad play? I wouldn't say it's horrible. The only thing is ES. If ES swept this would have been much better. We could have an SMT, and then therefore there wouldn't really be any other reason to run lower unless we're gonna head towards another key level. But this was a decent trade. It looked pretty nice. But yeah, if you looked at ES, I just really thought the break-even point would hit, and unfortunately it didn't. So this is more of those riskier plays. And then I kind of like entered too early right here. Just didn't get inverse. Ended up leaving around here, and entered again once we got this push up. So that's a fucking annoying, stupid thing that just happened, bro. Then we go ahead and sweep this low. Oh, let me delete this. We go ahead and sweep this low here. Alright, ES ends up sweeping the low. right there. Let me actually play this out a little bit more because I think we go up, we go down a little more, and here's where we get that setup right there. Right, good break even. We have relatively equal highs right there. Be able to hit this high right there. So I don't know. This looked like an even better break even point. Very, very clean 1 minute IFVG. There's probably like some 30-second BPR. Okay, nothing right there, but 30-second also got inversed. I mean, yeah, this trade looks super, super solid. I had my stop below this for value gap there. Looking for about a 1-to-1, but overall I'm bullish. I didn't even go over the targets. Let me go over that briefly. Alright, so it's really just a trend line, London, which is equal highs as well, all-time highs, and then we have a set. It's hard to see, but you can see the little green line, equal highs right there. So overall, just bullish. So something like this would be nice, about a 2.5 R. Obviously, the outcome of the trade was just shown there, but I'm going to go over why I like this one a lot, and this is definitely a trade I will take over and over again. ES looks so bullish here. All right, we sweep this untapped 4 hour below us, which is the one I was looking at earlier, which was more in discount. How I just refreshed this, it's already messed up. Like, what? You gotta be kidding me, bro. Not in the mood for this stuff right now. We got food to eat. Gotta get ready for market open. I gotta collect data on this shit. Not cool, bro. Not fucking cool. If this messes up, I'm not even gonna rage. I'm just gonna accept it. Oh my goodness. There we go. So ES hit that 4 hour. Let's see what else we tapped into on ES. Hit this hourly. We also make an SMT at this low right there. So as you can see, SMT right there. Ooh. Hold on. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, so SMT right there. The SMT's down here because we ended up obviously flushing lower. But honestly, this looked really... Whoa, that was loud. Why is my Discord open? This just looks super, super clean. I don't know how we didn't just at least hit the break-even point once again. Straight bullshit, bro. This was such bullshit. Now here's where that SMT is marked out. I'm gonna go over the rest of this price action here. All the other setups that happened. So, oh my gosh, bro, stupid fucking Discord. So we do hit this hourly right there. Well, we already in that hourly. Sorry, it was a 15-minute. Here's that 15-minute we hit. Ends up getting respected. Develop that we don't develop it. We maintain the SMT right there. And this does look a lot more A+. We have more structure here. We have a 15-minute high up here, an intermediate high. Just overall, this looks a little bit better than what we had up here. Excuse me. My stuffy ass nose. Get great delivered to the upside. We don't have a 5-minute. We presented a 4-minute IFVG here. If it will load. I don't like this because we had a 3-minute that didn't get inverse. We also had a 2-minute that didn't get inverse. 2-minute BPR actually. So this being broken through would be a good sign. We have these highs up here that we have failed hit twice. And yeah, we just never really gave an entry here. Kind of just chopped up here. Once we came down, I think we maintained respect of a 3. Never mind, scratch that. Can this motherfucker shut up? Who is texting this shit? Because it's getting annoying. Stupid fucking idiot, bro. Oh, shut the fuck up. Already pissed off enough. Alright. Honestly, I really wanted to take this trade here. This 1 minute being broken through. But there's really nothing we're kind of delivering out of. This does look super clean, though, I will say. It looks just, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive candles. Well, 3 at the time of the entry, but we have a pretty good break even because at this high right there, we generate an untapped 15-minute. So there's the untapped 15-minute up there. Maybe there's a 5-minute somewhere. The 5 minutes up there. I forgot I went through that. But yeah, really good trade here, I would say. Really good discretional play. ES running up smoother than NQ. NQ is just, yeah, fuck you, NQ. You're such a stupid bitch, bro. Fuck NQ. This trade here, this 1 minute would have been a break even, but on MNQ, we hit this and NQ we did not. So, dude, genuinely fuck this stupid ass piece of shit. I'm so pissed off at this, bro. I'm so pissed off at this day. There's really nothing you could... Oh my gosh, and the 4 minutes taking forever to load. There's really nothing you could have really entered. This is just a... I don't know how to explain. It's not an actual setup. It's just more of a discretional play. Would have loved to take this, but I already took 2 losses, and I was... If this lost, I would have been mad at myself for taking the 3rd trade. You know, usually after 1 trade, I'll be done, but if another setup presents itself, I'll jump in 2 trades. So ends up generating equal highs here. We stall, and here we actually create a 5-minute. All right, we pull back into that 5-minute. Now this would have been a beautiful play. If we got an entry, let's see. Maybe there's a 15-second. Oh, that would suck. The 15-second happened. See what the RR would have been. Stops maybe at the 15-second order block, but the equal highs that we generated would be less than a 1-to-1. Maybe the 30-second, I don't know. Okay, same thing. I really don't see much here. We do have somewhat kind of trend line on the 30-second. Dude, what is up with this high not being able to just get ran through on the first try? We failed to hit here, We make equal highs up here. There's something about this specific candle. I don't know, bro. It's some weird stuff going on there, but anyways, yep. Ends up running up. Or does not run up. It actually just chops forever, and never. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm actually done with this fucking price action. Just stopping me out. It's not even the price action, bro. It's all me. It's literally no one but me. Okay, we got a 5 and 15-minute pullback. We still have these equal highs intact. We still have the low resistance intact. See if there's any type of entry whatsoever. I don't really see anything. This is not a bad play, I would say. This looks pretty decent. Alright, this failed to get broken through. We ran lower. And we have equal highs intact. Yeah, this is not a bad play at all. Let me actually bring this back a little bit. Yes, we pull back into that 15-minute. Pull back into that 5-minute. Oh, we have a 2-minute there. 3-minute. Oh, I clicked on the 4-minute. Fuck me, man. It's just a habit of going in order. So yeah, we have that 2-minute. Let's see what type of entry we get. Pretty not so great candle closure right there. 3-minute looks a lot more better, I would say. Insane stop loss. I mean, man, bro. Oh, this happened all the way to 11:30. Why am I going over this? I mean, I feel like this trade here, we hit the 5-minute. We came, resweep that low inside the 5-minute, and wait a minute. Okay, that was the 5-minute. Yeah, we just retested that 5-minute. We have a 1-minute IFVG here. Ran up, ran lower, ran back up. There's really nothing else I can see that we could have possibly had, but of course, by the end of it, we smacked full TP. Well, we did not smack full TP, but trade idea was right. But once again, man, just fucking, I feel like I'm just being unlucky, bro. Obviously, like I said, it's on me, 100% on me. But dude, the past it's been like, this is my 5th losing trade. Okay, not in a row. We had a break even in like halfway, but dude, just a 5 trade losing streak. And one of those trades I will say was pretty ass and could have been avoided, but dude, 4 out of the 5 trades I've been stopped out, and the bias was completely right, and TP got fucking ran through. 4 out of the 5 trades. So shit is just, oh my gosh, bro. It's like, fuck, what can I do, bro? I'm like getting like good entries. It's just Price is doing some bullshit, bro. Some fucking bullshit. This right here, I will say this isn't too much bullshit. We did manipulate into a key level, and ES also manipulated into a key level. So it makes a bit more sense, but I don't understand why we presented this. Or if we're going to present this, why do we not get to the break-even point? I don't fucking know, bro. This is some bullshit, bro. But now I got to collect data on all this. And I'm out, bro. I might even just collect data tomorrow or something. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. And I'm out. Hopefully we catch something today. I need something, bro. I'm in desperate need of a win. I'm so desperate for it. But that's going to be it, and I'm out. Peace.